Meet Ryan. Just a year ago, he was at the top of his world. A promising career, supportive friends, and dreams so bright they lit up his every step. But life, as it often does, threw him an unexpected storm. Ryan was a software engineer, passionate about his work. But one fateful day, he was called into his boss's office. His company had to make cuts, and Ryan was let go. It wasn't just a job he lost that day. It was his confidence, his sense of purpose, and the stability he had worked so hard to build. Over the next few months, Ryan's world unraveled further. With no job, his bills piled up. His friends, though well-meaning, didn't fully understand what he was going through. Slowly, he withdrew from everyone, drowning in self-doubt. Each day felt the same. He would wake up late, scroll through job boards, and then give up halfway through. What's the point? He thought. Every rejection email was a knife to his already fragile spirit. One evening, as Ryan sat in silence, he noticed a picture of his father on the wall. His father had passed away years ago, but his voice echoed in Ryan's mind. "Son, life will knock you down, but it's not about the fall, it's about how you rise again." That night, Ryan made a promise to himself. He would rise no matter how broken he felt. He didn't know where to start, but he knew staying where he wasn't an option. His first step was simple. Go for a run. It wasn't about fitness. It was about movement, about proving to himself that he could still take control of something. The fresh air filled his lungs, and for the first time in months, he felt alive. Day by day, Ryan began to rebuild himself. He started journaling, writing down his fears and replacing them with affirmations. He reached out to a mentor for guidance and began attending networking events, even though the thought terrified him. One pivotal moment came when Ryan decided to volunteer at a local shelter. Helping others reminded him of his own strength and resilience. It gave him perspective. He wasn't alone in his struggles, and he had so much to be grateful for. Months passed, and Ryan didn't just work on finding a job, he worked on finding himself. He stopped defining his worth by his career and started embracing his journey, with all its highs and lows. And then, one day, the phone rang. It was a company offering him a position, not just a job, but an opportunity to lead a project that aligned perfectly with his passion. Tears of joy streamed down his face as he realized all his effort had paid off. Ryan's new job wasn't just a fresh start. It was a testament to his resilience. He had fallen hard, but he had risen higher. And through it all, he discovered that his worth wasn't tied to his circumstances, but to his determination to keep going. Ryan's story isn't just his own. It's a reminder for all of us. Life will knock us down, but within each of us lies the strength of a phoenix, a spirit that can rise from the ashes, stronger and brighter than before. Ryan's story isn't just his own. It's a reminder for all of us. Life will knock us down, but within each of us lies the strength of a phoenix, a spirit that can rise from the ashes, stronger and brighter than before. Thank you for watching this story of resilience and hope. If Ryan's journey inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, your next rise is just one step away.